In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Bridge. First, make sure the Creative Cloud desktop app is open on your computer. This is the central hub for downloading and managing Adobe apps. Once it's open, look for the Apps section. It's usually on the left side as a tab labeled Apps. Click that to see the full list of applications available with your plan. Now, scroll through the list until you find Bridge. The list can be long, so take your time. If you prefer, you can use the search bar at the top of the Apps screen and type Bridge to jump straight to it. If Bridge doesn't appear right away, double-check that you're viewing all apps rather than updates or installed. You can also refresh the list or update the Creative Cloud desktop app if it looks out of date. Once you've located Adobe Bridge in the list, click the button next to it that says Install or Download. Creative Cloud will immediately start fetching everything it needs, and you'll see a progress bar showing the download and installation status. This process is automatic. No extra setup is required. Just keep the Creative Cloud app open, don't shut down your computer, and make sure your internet connection stays active. Installation time varies depending on your connection speed and system performance. If your system asks for permission to make changes, go ahead and approve it so the installer can complete. When the installation finishes, you'll notice the Install button changes to Open or Launch. Click that to start Adobe Bridge right away. On first launch, Bridge may ask for standard permissions so it can generate previews and manage media. Allowing those helps the app work smoothly. You'll land on the main interface, where you can browse, preview, and organize your files. From now on, you can open Bridge directly from the Creative Cloud desktop app by clicking Open, or launch it the same way you open your other applications on your computer. If you don't see it immediately, use your operating system search to find Adobe Bridge. That's all it takes. Go to the Apps tab in Creative Cloud, find Bridge in the list, click Install, let Creative Cloud handle the download and setup, and then click Open to launch. With Adobe Bridge installed, you're ready to manage your creative assets more efficiently. If you want to explore features like batch renaming or metadata editing, you're perfectly set up to dive in. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Adobe Bridge.